Steve Jobs put it very well. What did Jobs say? He said, you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust the dots will somehow connect in the future. That means you're always going to be walking into the dark. You're going to be walking into a place you've never been. Now you can take that as a scary thing that you're foolish doing because you're always going to be a little scared. Or you can see this as a magnificent opportunity. Every day is a new venture. This is where I am. I know how I got here. This is where I want to go. The moment your belief matches with any state, you fuse with it. You fuse with the idea. That's what happens. The moment your belief matches with any state, you fuse with it. This union results in the activation and projection of its plots, plans, conditions, and circumstance. Just whoop, like that, everything changes. That new state of conscious awareness becomes your home from which you view the world. If you're observant, you're going to see outer reality shaping itself upon the model of your imagination. Now, this is all our imagination at work. All kinds of strange things happen when you buy into it. But you've got to buy into it. Now, do you see, when you do, this is the way it works. You can't see what has to happen. You've got to trust. You've got to act like the person you've got to become. Now, you've also got to know that some of the people close to you are saying, who are you trying to act as? What are you kidding yourself? Come on. Quit acting phony. People are laughing at you. Why are you doing that? You've got to be strong enough to say, too bad. You don't really know who I am. I'm learning who I am. You just watch me, kid. But not many people can do that. This is not easy. Why do you think there's only 3 people out of 100 that do it? But when you do, the way just suddenly happens. And before you know, what the hell, you're there. And you think, wow. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. Yeah, when you look at that, then you may jump and you say, I'm going to go there. Well, you don't understand, there's a place too. You go there. There's a place too. These are all real places. That's real. We're visiting it for the first time, maybe that anybody ever went there. You may have never done it before. You may come in here flat broke, no understanding of this. You can do it. You can do it every bit as well as I can. That's phenomenal. You and I can do this. The way just suddenly happens.